don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. We're about to remove the air filter, the air box, just in case you want to put on the intake, like either the intake that's on top, that sits on top of the engine, or the one that goes under. My front bumper is already off, so I can see everything that's under there. But it's gonna be a little harder to get to the intake inside because you gotta go inside the wheel. You see what I'm talking about. To get to those two bolts, it's easier to go under the car and reach for those two bolts with a wrench or something, or you just go behind the splash shield and try to reach them too. But I think it's better under the car, way better under the car. You know what I'm saying? Tools you will need: a vise or pliers, the clip puller, 10, 8, and a drill if you got one. If not, use a ratchet. All right, let's get it. Let's start with the pliers. Not pliers, the vise.
It is what it is.
Vise or pliers, whatever you got. Put this to the side right here. You see, it's on the intake box. You're supposed to take this thing completely out, but I'm gonna take this here, and there's one under here. Take that. Put it back. It'd be better if you take off this cover, but I can reach it right here. Okay. Now let's take the 10s and remove and loosen this all the way. Okay, this one over here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Now let's unplug the maxima sensor. Squeeze, pull. It can be a little hard to pull sometimes. Okay, put that to the side somewhere. Now, you could take off this hose, breather hose right here. Pull that shit off. Okay. Oh fuck. Yeah. Pull on this. Easy. I don't need this, so I'm gonna just put it aside. Throw it out. Okay, now let's take off the 10 right here. Here's a 10 over here, corner on the actual stock intake. Take that out completely. Put that somewhere. I don't really need it because I'm not putting it back. I'm taking it off. I'm showing you how to take it off, just in case, you know. Like I said, put your intake down here. That goes down here, like it goes here. The engine or whatever intake goes down all the way here, and it stops like down there. Well, it'll be like right here. The filter will be like right here, and it'll go up like that. Boom. Okay, now let's loosen these clips. We'll take these clips out. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's missing. That's these. You don't need a screwdriver for this one. You want to loosen that one. Let's use a screwdriver, because sometimes this shit don't even pop out sometimes. Oh, there you go. Nice. This is going smooth. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. All the way off. Back to this. Faster. Way faster. Okay. You put them in aftermarket intake. You don't really need that shit. Some people actually leave this here. Like, I don't know why. We're supposed to remove this whole shit. You know what I'm saying? Now, you could take off this. Okay, boom. Put that to the side. Now, let's this is how you replace your air filter. If you're just doing a filter, pop these up, lift it up. Gotta wiggle it a little bit. Sometimes with the flathead over here, loosen it because it should be like seized on it. So go back like this. Go back. Yeah, so you have to use 2 hands to try to pull this shit out because shit's stuck on there. Okay. Okay, there's the other piece. Boom. You can throw this out. If you ain't putting the shit back, you can throw this out because you got the other intake filter. Okay, now there's bolts. Okay, see that bolt right there? Right under. So you will go under like this, right here. That's the bolt 10. Let's drill that off and take this whole shit out. This whole thing. It's gonna be kind of hard to pull this up, so you gotta keep pulling till it pops up. It's supposed to pop up. Okay, because there's a it's in a hole. You see when I take it out. Okay, see that shit? Got a hole on that. That's the other one. See, they be stuck in here. These shits right here. See these? They be in there. There's two of them up here. Now, this one you have to remove downwards because shit. Oh yeah, there's another 10 on there. I forgot about. There's the one right here. Boom, boom. Take that shit off. Take that shit off, man. And it should drop. There you go. Pull out. There it is. It. Anybody who wanted to remove the air box to install intake aftermarket shit, that's how you do it. If you're putting it back, go back to the video, reverse it, see how I did it to take it off, and put that shit right back. You know what I'm saying? So, let me know. Comment below if you need help or have any questions. And don't forget to give me a like, man. Give me a like if I helped you out, and subscribe. Don't forget that one. Subscribe. Later.